umiiyak na una ka pa sabi.
Pasensya na. Tanda mo kasi pag nakikita ko yung asawa ko, and nakikita ko kung gaano siya kaganda, habang dala-dala na yung baby namin, hindi ko mapigil yung emotion ko. Ewan ko pasensya na po. I was just overwhelmed by extreme joy, extreme love.
Plus, iyakin ka talaga.
Hindi, never ako umiiyak.
Hindi, natutuwa kami para sa inyong dalawa. Lalo-lalo na kami natutuwa because Regine is really so beautiful. And she's carrying the chosen one! Parang ang magic powers na lalabas yung bata. But we're so happy. Finally, malapit na pare.
Malapit na.
Malapit na.
Inaantay na ng lahat yan.
Inaantay na. Baka sumasayaw kumakanta na rin doon. Tapos biglang naging architect. Wala lang, malayo.
Magiging chef yan.
Okay din ang arkitekto.
Teka muna, birthday wish. Alam kong di ba nag-text ako sa'yo kahapon na birthday pare, lahat nasa sa inyo na, masayang-masaya ako for you and your blessings are over. Like, nandiyan lahat.
Yes.
Para anything else that you'd like to wish for?
Ako, you know, a lot of people keep saying, alam mo, Ogie, kayo ni Reg, napaka-blessed. That is true. We are very blessed, but I'd like to impart a message that everybody is blessed. You know, every single one of us is blessed. That's true. And if we can be a witness to everybody, to tell you, wow, we're very blessed, all of you are very blessed too.
Yes.
And my wish, actually, is for my wife.
Ano yun?
I am so excited kasi for her because I know pag nakita niya yung baby namin, yung ganda mong yan, magmumultiply ng mga 1 million times. I can just see you so happy, smiling, and hugging our child. And talagang, kakalimutan mo ako, in fact. Kakalimutan mo ako.
Parang hindi naman.
No, but my wish is that you continue to be as happy as you are and as you seem to me. Talagang, I've never seen you this happy.
Because I've never been this happy, Baba.
And you've never been pregnant.
I've never been pregnant also. Now, I wanna just tell my husband na I really am very happy. Thank you for giving me, for taking good care of me every day. Alam niyo naman, pag buntis, moody and all that.
Hindi po totoo yan. Never nag-iipon yung asawa ko. Huwag kayo maniniwala. Walang wala.
Alam mo naman, di ba? You know how it is. So, but he is so patient with me. And also, gusto ko malaman niya na sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, I'm very, very proud of you. Hindi tayo yayaman sa mga endeavors na pinagagagawa mo. Gusto ko lang malaman ng mga buong Pilipinas na wala po kaming ikayayaman sa mga ginagawa ng asawa ko.
Okay lang yun.
Pero, honey, sobra akong proud sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo. At saka siya, pag meron siyang napiling cause na gustong tulungan, talagang all out siya. Hindi niya yun bibitiwan hanggat makarating somewhere.
Nakikita mo pa ba siya?
Nakikita pa naman kami. Pero, hindi, nakita ko rin kasi na kung gaano kakasaya when you started doing all these things. Nakita ko when you come home, you have this big smile on your face, and then you can't wait to tell me. So, gusto ko malaman mo. Although I tell him naman every time na may kwento siya that I'm proud of all your